you were a really tough fighter, thing, and like I said, I got respect for you, and hopefully, you're okay and everything, and I know you'll come back from it.
Fight me, you respect me? You're gonna fight me again?
Ang knockout na ito ni Donaire kay Darjinyan ang gumulat sa mundo ng boxing. Noong 2007, kabilang ito sa pinakatanyag na knockout sa nakaraang dekada. Ito mga panahon nagahari si Donaire sa bantamweight division. At dahil sa sari-saring gusot sa pagitan ng kampo ni Donaire at Darjinyan, tumagal ang paghihintay ng rematch ng alinman fighter. Pero sa pagkatalo ni Donaire kay Guillermo Segundo para sa WBE at WBO Super Bantamweight title, nasira ang tinatayong pundasyon ng Flat Rank Promotion nang gawin major attraction si Donaire. At dahil isa pa rin ala Pilipinas Plus sa pinaka-exciting sa boksingero sa panahong ito, naisip ng Top Rank at HBC na subok ng entertaining boxer na si Vic Darjinyan para ibalik ang reputasyon ni Donito Donaire bilang isang knockout artist. Dito na matatapos ang 6 na taon na paghihintay ni Darjinyan para makabawi na kay Donito Donaire.
Every fight he was fighting, he mentioning my name. No, I'm gonna destroy him, I'm gonna send him retirement. And he's ready for retirement. I knock him out, you see, he will be retired.
Pero bago ko ituloy ang video ito, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking munting channel, huwag mo namang kalimutan mag-subscribe at pindutin na rin ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa bagong i-upload na tulad nito.
I just wanna tell the trick. He's talk too much, I saw one of these fights when in the ring he's showing my skill, my style, and his words, just opening his mouth. When I see somewhere him, I wanna hear it. When I saw somewhere him, even in a ring, not in a fight, I'm gonna slap him. If you man enough, just show what you have in the ring. Don't just talk shit about me and my back, Be men and come show me in the ring. Just don't talk shit.
Well, if you are a fighter and you won on me and you knock me out completely, you think you have the confidence, you have everything, you believe you can beat me again. Because you beat me once, you should have the idea on your mind, you can beat me again. Why he's making himself as a hero and he's full of shit, is all talk and no action behind it. Come down and fight.
That's it, just come and fight.
Come down and fight.
Don't be scared, Donaire.
Because I think he's not the one who make a decision, is his wife is making a decision in his life. That's why, because he's not man enough to back his word when he said, I'll fight, come and fight.
What would happen if you and him get in the ring?
I make him, I'm gonna break him, I'm gonna send him to retirement.
Sa tindi ng kaliwat kanan, panotsadahan ng dalawang kampo para sa nalalapit ng paghaharap ng dalawang boksingero, naging personal na ang hidwaan ni Donaire at Darjinyan na ilang beses pa nga hindi nagpapansinan sa mga boxing event at press con.
Why are you hiding back here?
Taong 2013 naganap ang rematch ni Donaire at Darjinyan. Ito ay ginanap sa American Bank Center sa Corpus Christi sa Texas sa Amerika bilang isa sa undercard sa labanan Mikey Garcia at Roman Martinez para sa WBO World Super Featherweight title.
Fighting out of the blue corner, wearing red and black, official weight 125 3/4 pounds. As a professional, 39 victories, including 28 knockouts, 5 defeats, with 1 draw. Born in Armenia, now fighting and training out of Sydney, Australia. The 5-time world champion, former 2-time bantamweight, 2-time super flyweight, and former flyweight world champion, Vic the Raging Bull Darjinyan. And fighting out of the red corner, wearing red with gold, officially weighing in at 125 1/4 pounds. As a professional, 31 victories, including 20 knockouts, only 2 defeats. From Taliban Bohol, Philippines, the 4-time world champion, former flyweight, super flyweight, bantamweight, and super bantamweight champion of the world, the Filipino Flash, Nonito Donaire.
Darchinyan had real success at the end of that round, helping to rejuvenate some of the old fighters.
Ang mga sumunod na mga rounds ay tila ba chismat na lamang. Naghihintayan pa rin dalawang boksingero, Ray at Darchinyan.
Steve Weisfeld, how do you have it through 3?
That's what he got.
Winner was unfortunate.
It's just the respect of knowing how hard a guy like Darchinyan can punch.
Now Donaire seems to relax a little bit, but he missed with the 1-2. How he landed at the end of that round. CompuBox found both fighters landing only 7 punches in the 4th round.
Sa round 5, gamit ang isang left hook, nahuli ng Armenian fighter si Donaire. Pero dahil likas na matibay si Donaire sa ganitong division, hindi masyadong ininda ng Pinoy fighter. Unti-unti nang lumalabas ang lakas ng left hook ni Donaire sa round 6. Dito natatamaan na sunod-sunod si Darchinyan sa paniguradong ininda ng Armenian fighter.
He is asking of Donaire, do you still want to be a fighter?
Bagamat kumukonekta ang solidong suntok kay Darchinyan, kulang pa rin ang kombinasyon binibigay ni Donaire. Katunayan, habang nakabreak sa pagitan ng round 8 at 9, maririnig pa nga ang trainer na si Robert Garcia na kailangan na daw ni Nonito Donaire nagdagdagan ng atake nito kay Darchinyan.
We're more after. You're waiting too long. Nonito, don't blow this. Don't give this away. You have to pick it up this next 2 rounds. Go after him. Let's go. Inside, throw combination. Chin down, and let's go.
Tila ba nagising na ang tinaguriang The Filipino Plus? Lalabas ang tunay na lakas ng Pinoy fighter. Mapapaatras nitong si Darchinyan dahil sa solidong atake ni Donaire. Dito na makikita ang Armenian fighter ang suntok na tumapos sa kanyang unang laban.
And Roy, I think it was finding that combination, the way the right would set up the left hand, that ultimately got it done for him.
And that's why they wanted him to stick punches out, because if he just threw punches, they knew that the left hook would follow the right hand sooner or later. Just a matter of timing and catching Darchinyan at the right time with the left hook.
So Donaire gets it done and gets a 9th round TKO.
Ang panalo ni Nonito Donaire ang tumapos sa willing stick ng Darchinyan. Ito na rin ang naging daan para makabalik si Donaire sa world champion.
Left him open for the left hook. That's the most dangerous. Darchinyan was out on his feet already to me. Once again, you see him come with his left hand over the top to make him think he's aiming at the head. Then he fools him and comes under with it, right on the chin. One more time for good measures, and the fight is over.
Ladies and gentlemen, the referee calls a halt to the contest at 2 minutes and 6 seconds of round number.
Ikaw, idol, anong masasabi mo sa labang ito? Para sa iyong opinion, i-comment mo niyan sa ating comment section sa ibaba. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang video ito, paiwan naman ako ng like at pa-subscribe sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po sa iyong panonood. Saan man kayo naroroon, laging mag-ingat. God bless. Bye-bye.